Ahoy there cruisers, and welcome back to our daily cruise news updates, revealing 5 stories heading your way. Today discover the latest as Spain questions cruise ship bans, Carnival makes a clarification about a prohibited item, and the world's largest cruise ship has finally arrived in Miami. So stay tuned for cruise-filled updates delivered straight to you from cruisehive.com. Australia's cruise industry is poised for a transformative year in 2024. The Cruise Line International Association predicts a 14% surge in ships, totaling 81 vessels and over 3,700 port calls, an 18% increase. The uptick, reflecting a 42% rise in passenger capacity, propels Australia into a bustling cruise season. Despite Melbourne's port fee controversy, the industry's economic impact soared to a 5.6 billion Australian dollars in the last fiscal year, ensuring 2024 remains a landmark year with lasting benefits for communities and the national economy. Icon of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's groundbreaking vessel made a triumphant debut at Port Miami on January the 10th. The much-anticipated arrival featured a grand spectacle, complete with pilot boats, tugs and flying banners overhead. Onlookers gathered at the Perez Art Museum in Miami to witness the historic moment. The ship's crew, including the Chief Dog Officer Rover, added to the excitement, and the entire event was broadcasted on social media, showcasing the ship's journey from Finland to Miami. With a naming ceremony set for January the 23rd, Icon of the Seas marks a new era in cruising luxury. Celebrity Cruises has notified guests booked on the March 7th sailing of Celebrity Edge, a 6-night Tasmania cruise, about an itinerary change. Although the ship will still visit the original ports, the time spent in ports has been adjusted, departing 2 hours earlier from Eden and shifting the overnight visit to Hobart. The total time in port is now reduced to 34 hours. The change is attributed to a port conflict, a common occurrence in the cruise industry. Guests are advised to stay in close communication with the cruise line for potential future adjustments. Several Spanish cruise ports have imposed limits on cruise ships in an attempt to manage congestion and address environmental concerns. However, the Spanish government is investigating the legality of these restrictions, stating a lack of legal provisions. Palma de Mallorca limits daily visits, while Barcelona reroutes ships. Despite concerns over emissions, the government claims a legal basis is lacking. With the cruise industry's significant economic impact, any restrictions require collaboration with major cruise companies, emphasising the delicate balance between environmental considerations and economic interests. As social media influencers seek exclusive content, the desire to bring drones on board cruise ships grows. Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador John Heald addressed the issue, clarifying drones are not permitted for onboard use due to safety concerns. While the policy allows drones for port use, guests must obey to local regulations. Violating drone rules may incur charges, fines, or even ejection. Navigating the skies above a cruise ship demands responsibility, ensuring a smooth sail without unintended consequences. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.